Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Bhauryal welcoming you all to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing a novel by Durjoy Datta, When Only Love Remains. But before that, I want you all to know something about the author. Durjoy Datta is an Indian author and screenwriter known for his coffee table novels about the romantic life of young Indians. He was born on 7th February 1987 in Mehsana, Gujarat, but grew up in New Delhi. He completed his schooling at the Bal Bharti Public School, Pitampura, and went on to do mechanical engineering from Delhi Technological University. He did his post-graduation from Management Development Institute, Gurgaon, and also from Frankfurt School of Finance and Management, Germany, and majored in Marketing and Finance. He started writing while he was still in his final year of his college. In 2011, he quit his job at American Express as a marketing analyst and turned a full-time writer. His first book, Of Course I Love You, was published when he was 21 years old and was an instant bestseller. His other novels are Now That You're Rich, Let's Fall in Love, She Broke Up, I Didn't, Oh Yes, I Am Single, and So Is My Girlfriend. The Backbenchers series, You Are My Crush, If It's Not Forever, It's Not Love, Till the Last Breath, Someone Like You, Hold My Hand, World's Best Boyfriend, Our Impossible Love, The Girl of My Dreams, The Boy Who Loved, The Boy with a Broken Heart, The Perfect Us, Pocket Full of Stories, Wish I Could Tell You. He has written a couple of short stories, namely The English Teacher and Shades of Love. He also has to his credit 4 television shows, Ek Veer Ki Ardas Veera, Sada Haq My Life My Rules, $1 Million Girl from Banaras to Paris. All these 3 have been co-written by Sumrit Shahi. And one more, that is Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi, co-written by Raghuveer Shekhawat. Durjoy lives in New Delhi, loves dogs and is an active crossfitter. When Only Love Remains. It's a love story by Durjoy Datta which gives the reader hope, patience and love. It's in no way a typical love story as it crosses over the dead ends, making it all the more interesting. If you just begin to find it dull, the next moment something unusual happens which leaves you completely rattled. I'm a reader who hates cliches and predictability in a story. But to my surprise, there was neither of the two in this one, which completely satisfied me. Now I'll discuss about the storyline. Avanti is the craziest fan of Devrat. The beginning is interesting as it is an idle fan love story. Delhi-based Avanti is unsure about everything except Devrat, while Kolkata-based Devrat is unsure about everything except music. This love story is one brought together by music. The part until they finally meet at Devrat's gig is put up nicely, avoiding any gloomy details and keeping the story alive. The part where they finally meet for the first time and spend a long time together is quite amazing. This unreal situation is worded so well that the reader is always engrossed in a smile and falls in love with it. The scene where Devrat boards the plane is very delightful to read. If you are an avid reader, you know something drastic will happen after half the story is filled with such sweetness. And then it happens. The awful car crash of Devrat happens, followed by dull moans by depressed Avanti. I may have lost patience, but the story dwells on this part more than needed. There are many incidents where Avanti outbursts or talks to his comatose self or talks to the entire hospital staff. 8 months is a long time to be in a coma and portray about it. That repetition could have been avoided. I had started to think like, just live or die, but do that soon. Also, There should have been exact mention of Avanti's job instead of consoling parents, relatives and stuff. The end was as best as possible. The reader really feels Devrat dies. Even the part where Avanti performs with the vocalist is worded generously. I loved this perfect ending to a more than tolerable novel. What are my overall thoughts? My view is that it was a very well written and well placed story with nicely carved out characters with their curiosity, rhythm in sync. The plot was ultimate, providing the sudden changes flawlessly. Apart from the hospital scenario, I was never bored while reading. There was a repetition of the word puppy as referring to Devrat. It sounded romantic at the beginning, but eventually it just sickened me. I was glad when Devrat doesn't forget who Avanti is when he wakes up, otherwise it would have been really dumb. This quintessential novel wasn't like most Durjoy novels. It stood up a notch. That's it guys. This was my first ever book review video. I hope you like my way of portraying the story. I strongly suggest you to read this novel. You can buy it on various online shopping sites. I'll be uploading these kinds of videos on a regular basis from now on. Hit that like button and share it with your friends, relatives, teachers and students. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified as soon as we upload a video. If you have any suggestions, please be free to do that. You are most welcome. For the other videos of our channel, kindly click on the links that are provided in the description. Okay guys, see you soon. Until the next video, this is Pankaj Bhauryal signing off. Bye, take care and God bless.